Hi there, I'm Graham Moore. I'm really pleased that you've taken the time to look at this short video that I've prepared to talk about a workshop that's coming up during Ramadan. Yep, Ramadan. 19, 20, 21 of Ramadan. Ramadan hours, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, so why should you give up your time during Ramadan to come on this course, which is called Leading and Managing for Transformational Business Results? Why should you come? Well, let me tell you why. I call it transformational because of the change that will come as a result of you being on this workshop. Well, that's pretty grand, Graham. You're making these big statements. How is that going to happen? Well, let me share two processes that I'll share with you when you're on this course. The first one is called Creating a Team of Choice in 3 months. Really? What's a team of choice? Oh, I'm sure you've heard of the expression of company of choice. Company of choice becomes that way because teams start to become teams of choice. But even if you don't want the company to do that, your team performing as a team of choice will mean that there will be less stress for you, if any. Less stress for them, if any. There will be greater productivity. They will love what they're doing in 3 months. It's a simple process, and I'll share with you how to do this. And I get results when I do this every time. It's a simple process. When I show you what it is, I know you'll want to do it and get the results. The second process that I'm going to share with you is what I call setting the ground rules. That's right. This is a conversation that I believe every manager should have on the first day that a new employee joins the team. Whether that person is a new employee from outside the organisation or from another department in the organisation joining your team. 15 minutes. I say that every manager should have this conversation, but most, if not all, managers don't. I had 1 or 2 managers say, that's for HR to do that. No, it's not. These people are reporting to you. You set the ground rules. This conversation is easy to have. Here's one of the outcomes of this conversation. You will never have to ask that employee if they have finished the report. You'll never have to remind them to finish the report on time. When you do this, your life will be a lot easier. They will be happier. They will be more productive. Setting the ground rules. It's a 15-minute conversation, easily done. Great results. See, I want you to know when you come on this course that there's real, applicable information that you can use to get great results. Otherwise, why would you do it? Otherwise, why would I be here? I always want you as a manager to get better results. I'm going to be showing you some other leading strategies, leadership strategies that will get you great results. When you come on the course, I will share with you the one thing that you can do which will have people that are reporting to you perform at their best. 98% of people say they perform at their best when this is done. And I'll share that with you on the workshop. It's not hard. 98% of people love this. Doesn't cost you any money. Great results. You need to register to be there. I'll let you go and do that now. And I look forward to meeting you on this virtual workshop, 19th, 20th, 21st of April.